What is up, guys? Welcome to the vlog. I'm trying a new setup here. I just screwed in the little wide angle thingy on this camera. So now it's wide without me investing $300 on a lens.
It's just a static electricity. It's us moving to the sound. Your lips are all I need.
Although face tracking, there we go, face tracking is working now. Yes, today, let's start off with something light. I tried Chick Fil A for the first time ever. So we got Chick Fil A, and this is important because this is my first time ever eating Chick Fil A. Guys, it's not every day I get to eat fast food for the first time. I've never had Chick Fil A before, ever. One bite review. It's like Kentucky Fried Chicken. Mary Carl's Jr. That's what it's like. Chicken is very Kentucky Fried Chicken, and the burger is like kind of like Jack in the Box style. So it's like chicken in the box. Yeah, this is my best way to explain this is chicken in the box. It's pretty good. It's not bad. I definitely eat it again. So yeah, it tastes like Kentucky Fried Chicken and Jack in the Box smashed together, right? Or I called it Chick in the Box. I think so. Chick in the Box? Chick in the Box. Anyways, so that is pretty cool. A couple of stuff. Let's start out with some bad news. I think, of course it's bad news, I don't think. There was an accident right outside that ended up in a fatality. Basically involved two cars and a motorcycle. So, you know, pray for the family because the motorcyclist did pass away, which sucks. I did take some footage of it, but I'm not going to post it up because I don't think that's right. But I mean, I kind of feel the accident because I've been in an accident myself, a motorcycle accident that left me hospitalized for a few months. And I mean, really, like, it was a miracle that I'm still alive type situation. And that's why I feel really bad for the family. So guys, when you're driving, just be very careful. It's really hard to see motorcyclists. I don't ride bikes anymore just because of that accident, and my wife won't let me at all. But I mean, it's understandable, especially because I've been in an accident like that. Just want to let everyone know, you know, let's be courteous. That's something about driving. It just, I don't know, it makes people angry. It just happens. Even me, like, I have to really check myself all the freaking time because when I'm driving, I'm like, oh, you idiot, and then I'm like, oh wait, what did I just say? So that is something that I want to get out there. Just everyone, if we just relaxed a little, you know, we lived well, and we just laugh more. If we laugh stuff off, like someone cuts you off and be like, oh, that guy was stupid, you know, and ha ha ha, you know, I used to drive like that, or something like that. Well, this whole vlog is pretty much about the hard drives, SSDs, SSDs. So I got this M500 SSD, and my gosh, it was crazy. I'm thinking crazy because here's the thing. I have an older Asus motherboard, P8P67 Evo. I think that's what it is. But anyways, that motherboard supports SATA 6 or SATA 3, 6 gigabyte bandwidth. So I was like, cool, right? Because these SSDs could really use the SATA 3 ports to its full advantage. Here's the thing, the P67 chipset that I have in my computer is not compatible with this SSD. The chipset's actually compatible, it was the drivers, but it was like 3 all-nighters and just crazy Googling. I finally figured it out. I downloaded the most recent drivers and it's working. Let me go ahead and post some of the speeds up for you here. So if you take a look at that, dang, that's fast! My number one right now is the Crucial M500. This thing is awesome, both read and write. It's not a PCIe speeds like my MacBook Pro, but it definitely is very fast for SATA 3 speeds. And then here's the Samsung results. Now again, my Crucial and my I've had Samsung my whole freaking life. Never had a problem with Samsung. So I like to stick with Samsung. The thing is, their price is kind of steep. So I ended up switching over to different brands. I did buy a secondhand OCZ, and that was total fail. The speeds are slow. The sequential read and write is pretty much like a standard hard drive, or a really fast hard drive, or whatever. So that OCZ SSD was a fail. I think I told you about it. It was a defective drive anyways. And then the Intel 520. Now I got the Intel 520 for my wife. I did pay quite a bit for that drive. And let me go ahead and get into the light. And it's fantastic. It went to my wife's MacBook Pro. It works fantastic. Here's the speeds for those. And finally, the Crucial M500 for my MacBook Air. It does very good. It's not as fast, but what can I say? It does well for what it is. So the results are there. Okay guys, that's about it. I'm pretty much done with all the SSD stuff. What's gonna happen in the future vlogs? By the way, I got one more subscriber. Hallelujah! Thank you so much. That one subscriber really boosts my spirits, and it made me dig through my closet and pop in this little lens wide angle cheapo adapter thingy. It's kind of funny because I'm putting a cheap adapter into a kind of an expensive setup in my opinion. But yes, it gave me the drive, that one subscriber. So thank you so much. I don't know who you are, but oh, I love every single one of my subscribers. So if you're watching this, you kind of like the video a little bit. This was going to be kind of boring, but hopefully in the future I will document more entertaining things. Now, the whole point of me starting a vlog was to document my life, my startup. I'm not making any money right now. So, yeah, the business that I was working at, we closed it, and now I'm jobless. This is kind of the prime time for me to start a vlog because I'm gonna start a new business soon, or a new something, or something to make money, and I want to document it. And if it works out for me, hopefully you guys can follow these steps and it'll work out for you. I'm the type of person where I share what works for me. So I'm not the type of person where I'd be like, hey, it works, just pay $2.99 and I'll write a book about it. No, right? Everyone should live well and laugh more, and that means just living the best you can. You don't have to do what I do, obviously, but there's so many ways to success. There's over like 1,000 paths to success. Now here's kind of what I learned so far though. Education basically taught me how to stick it out. That's pretty much it, guys. I got my AA, my BS, and I got my master's that you guys just saw from the graduation whatevers. And what I learned, the biggest thing I learned was to stick it out. Never give up. Never give up. And honestly, every step of my education that I got was fun because I pretty much made everything fun. I love learning new things. And even if it's a harder subject, even if the grading is more subjective, I just go with the flow. I laugh it off. Live well, laugh more. That's my motto. All right. So the plan is that I go either start a new business or I get a job. right? If I get a job, then the vlogs are going to be kind of boring, but shoot, I need the income. So right now I'm just living off what I've made so far, and YouTube pretty much, I got kind of screwed because like right when I started YouTube, the whole like ad ban thing happened. Not that I was making any money. I was making like 17 cents a month. Actually, at one point I was making like $5 a month before all the ban stuff happened. But for you guys that are watching, please watch and help me get past that 10,000 view threshold for this channel. That would help me out a lot. I will do some giveaways as far as when I hit channel caps, like when I get 1,000 subscribers, 10,000 subscribers, 100,000 subscribers, million subscribers. Sky's the limit, 10 million subscribers, 1 trillion subscribers, you know. It's not gonna happen. Anyways, hopefully I can make these vlogs more entertaining, and that's kind of what I plan to do. Not this one. This one's kind of like this is one of those vlogs where like you're half asleep or I put you to sleep. Alright guys, I want to end it here. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have a great night, great day, great afternoon, whenever you're watching this. And live well, laugh more.